We've successfully advocated for a statewide face covering requirement, which the governor announced yesterday afternoon. And we all know that data shows that that simple step alone can significantly reduce the transmission of this deadly disease. Now, when I look at the picture in its totality, given the added tools at our disposal, the current trends in our local data, and my faith and belief in Richmonders to look out for one another, I believe that Richmond can cautiously, and I repeat cautiously, move into phase one starting this Friday, May 29th. Now, what does this mean? In phase one, retail will be able to operate at 50% of capacity. Outdoor seating at restaurants, patios will be available at 50% of capacity. Houses of worship will be open at 50% capacity. And personal grooming, barbershops, and beauty salons will be open by appointment. What will not be open will be entertainment establishments, fitness establishments, gyms, things of that nature. They will remain closed. You will be able to now visit your gym if you do the workouts outside. Consistent with my requests to delay certain aspects of phase one reopening guidelines, in order for this reopening to be sustainable and safe, my administration is taking steps to lift some of the best practices among our faith communities and local businesses. These practices are rooted in conversations with the business community, with our faith leadership, and health professionals, and will protect the Richmonders, both those that are the staff in these institutions and those that attend and patronize them. First and foremost, we're asking everyone to wear your mask and cover your face when you are in public spaces, especially if it's challenging to maintain a 6 feet distance between individuals in that space. To our faith communities, I recommend you continue to operate virtually and refrain from in-person gatherings. If you choose to gather in person, I strongly recommend you do so outdoors while practicing strict social distancing. Our neighbors in Howard County, Maryland, have done just this, keeping indoor services small and opting for a distanced outdoor and virtual gatherings. To our restaurants and our breweries in town, for those who choose to open, we ask that you offer outdoor seating at half capacity. We're asking that you voluntarily keep a log of people you seat. You may ask why. This will help us in our contact tracing efforts by asking for the name and number of each group of diners, the same as you would with a reservation. Now, this is completely voluntary for both individuals and restaurants, but this small amount of information will help the health district trace and contain outbreaks should they occur. Now, I hope this data will not be necessary, but we want to be prepared. We believe that this will give your patrons the confidence that you are truly doing everything in your power to keep them and your staff safe. We ask that you join us in this effort. I'm also continuing to request